cop can legally lie to a suspect during interrogation. Here are 3 things that cops can legally lie about during questioning. 1. Evidence that they don't have. They can tell a suspect that they have DNA evidence or fingerprints that don't actually exist to try to make them admit to a crime. 2. They can lie about cooperation from other suspects or witnesses. They're allowed to tell a suspect that their buddy is cooperating and taking a plea deal to try to get that suspect to confess. 3. They can lie about the severity of a case. They can say that the charges are more serious or the penalties are longer to try to get that suspect to confess or take a plea deal. Now, this is all in a very specific context. There are things that cops cannot lie about. They can't lie to a suspect about their civil rights, like their right to an attorney or their right to remain silent. They also cannot coerce a suspect, so they cannot threaten abuse or force if the suspect doesn't confess. And they absolutely cannot fabricate evidence. They can tell a suspect that they have fingerprints that don't exist, but they can't present that suspect with fingerprints that are fake. This all goes back to a Supreme Court decision, Frazier v. Cobb, where a cop told a suspect that his cousin already confessed to the crime, even though that was false. But the court still allowed the confession to be admitted because the deception alone didn't make it involuntary. So yes, cops can lie to a suspect to get a confession. As long as that confession is voluntary, the confession holds up under the law.